Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's quickly solve the radius of this circle together. Alright, so we have an isosceles triangle because we have two sides equal, and then we have a circle around it. So we want to find the radius of this circle. Now solution. So to find the radius of this circle, we are going to use a formula that we call circumradius formula. Okay, so using the circumradius formula. Okay, so what's the formula? The formula says that the radius of this circle is equal to ABC over 4 times the area of the triangle. All right, so the ABC are the size of the triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C, and then we are going to find the area of this triangle multiplied by 4. That would give the radius of the circle. Okay, now, how do we find the area of the triangle? Okay, so we have the triangle. Let me draw it. We have the triangle, right? So it's a isosceles triangle, and then this will give us the vertical height. From here to here is 6. That means this space is 3. This space is 3. This is 5. Then we can find the vertical height. All right. So now we are going to draw this triangle out, this right angle triangle, and we use Pythagorean theorem to find the vertical height. All right. So you know what Pythagorean theorem says? It says that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus the adjacent square. Hypotenuse is 5, so we have 5 square equals to opposite is the height, and then adjacent says 3. So we have 25 equals to I square plus 9. And then when you bring this here, so it means the height square now be 25 minus 9. And that gives 16. So height will now be square root of 16, which is 4. So the height is 4. So we have the height now. We can find the area of the triangle. Okay, so finding the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is half base times height. Okay, so we have 1 over 2 times, what's the base? Now the base of the triangle is 6. Okay, that is 6 multiplied by the height that we calculated, which is 4. Okay, so that gives 6 times 4 is 24. So we have half of 24, and that is 12. All right, so it means the area of the triangle is 12. All right, so now we can now find the radius of the circle using the circumradius formula that I wrote earlier. So we have the radius to be ABC over 4 times the area of the triangle. All right, so remember that our height is 4, the A is the first side, which is 5, the B is the second side, which is 5, and the C is the base of the triangle, which is 6. All right, so now our radius now equals to A times B times C, that is 5 times 6 over 4 times the area of the triangle is 12. This is the area of the triangle, that is times 12. So now we have R equals to this times this will give us 150. So we have 150 over this times this, 4 times 12 will give us 48. Okay, so now let's use 2. Therefore, the radius of the circle is approximately 3.125 units. Right, so this is the radius of the circle. Now let's try something similar to that. Let's try this. Okay, so I have a circle, and I have a triangle. Okay, so this is 8, this is 8, and I have this place to be 13. All right, so let's find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. All right, so let's find the area of the circle and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this. Don't forget to like, share this video, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.